Welcome to Kids Education Channel.
A local welcome. How are you? Please come in.
Thank you so much, Ali.
Please be comfortable. How are you?
I am fine. How about your family?
Everybody is fine. How was your journey?
It was nice, but I am tired. By the way, where are your parents?
Papa is in office for some official meeting and Mom just gone to the market.
When will your father come from office?
He will be returned back after some hours.
When will your mother return from market?
She will be back after half an hour. Have some rest, Uncle.
I'm definitely doing it.
Okay, dear.
Would you like to have coffee or tea?
I would like to have bath first.
Yes, of course. Let me show you the bathroom.
Thanks, dear. I'll go to bed early.
Okay, Uncle.